Hello everyone, this is Bisha and welcome back to the unboxing live. And today we're going to unbox this charger na nabili ko sa Shopee. And this one is called Anker. Ano nga ba siya? Wala nakalagay eh. Pero before that, we will disinfect this box. And syempre kanina, nilagyan ko na rin ng alcohol but just to show you. I will also, ito pala siya nakalagay dito. Yung name, and ano ba to? Parang pinaka-receipt niya. May order number, ganyan. Card number. So, before that, let's just open this one. And let's see. So, bumili ako ng cable, USB cable charger for my phone kasi nasira na siya. My phone is a Redmi 5 Plus and I've been using it for over 3 years. So far, wala pa naman ang nag-error, which is really nice. And sana white ang bibilin ko kasi wala ng white. Kaya, I ordered this one instead. So, ito siya, PowerPort Mini 2 USB. And then this one is the USB cable for Android. Yan, nakalagay siya. So 3 feet siya. Let's open it up. So kahit anong gawin ko dun sa old charger ng Redmi 5 Plus ko, talagang hindi siya mag-work. So, talagang nanghiram na lang ako ng charger sa family ko. I think they're using the same USB cable dahil Android phones din ang kanila. So, doon muna ako nanghihiram pansamantala. Now, I have this Anker USB, micro USB cable. Maganda ang feel niya and hopefully tumagal siya. Yeah, so this is, I think the size is 3 feet. So ganyan siya haba. And meron siyang kasamang parang cable cord or something. So maganda siya, ready for then let's open this one. Ang gusto ko dito is dalawa siya na saksakan. So minsan kasi kinakapos ako ng saksakan for my ring light and other stuff. So ngayon dalawa na siya, so I can just so it comes in with a user manual. So yun nakalagay. Ito siya. So, PowerPort Mini, input, blah, 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 ganyan. So, ang gusto ko dito is na-fold siya. So, good for traveling, ganun. So, I'm not sure if it's a fast charger. I don't think it is, but I'm gonna check it later. So, for now, I'm going to plug it to see if it's going to work. Okay, so anyway, it worked. So, nag-charge naman siya, but it's not a quick charger. Itong isang nabili ko before is Bavin charger. So, quick charger siya. So, hindi na ako bumili ng another quick charger. Ito try ko naman itong USB cable na to doon sa original na charger ng Redmi and let's see kung mag-work siya. Alright, so now I'm trying this charger, pinaka-outlet niya, and gumagana siya. So, which means na yung pinaka-USB cable lang ng Redmi 5 Plus ko is siya yung merong diferensya. But then again, it's great to have an extra of these kasi meron akong quick charger And just in case na misplace ko, madalas ko kasi makalimutan kung saan ko nilagay. So at least meron akong spare. And this one is really great for traveling, and pag branded siya, so matagal lang lifespan niya. And I'm just happy na ito lang ang nasira nung Redmi 5 Plus ko, yung naunang cable, which is hindi nagtagal, may mga ngat-ngat na. So I'm glad this one is still working, and also this one is working. So anyway guys, yun lang ang short unboxing ko for today. Sorry sa kalat, but it is working. And for those of you who are curious and you are interested to buy this particular product, I will add the link in the description box. Thank you so much. Have a great day.